This is the story of Ngata Toro, who strengthened their institutional capacity through sustainable natural resources management in Lorelindo National Park, Central Sulawesi, Indonesia. Lorelindo National Park is a forested protected area in Central Sulawesi, Indonesia, and declared as an official UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in 1978 due to its exceptional biodiversity. The hornbill bird and large turtle dove bird are examples of endemic birds threatened by illegal poaching in the park. The community in Ngata Toro or Toro village live in an enclave of this national park surrounded by Mount Bulukadundu and Mount Wanangiki. Both mountains hold important roles as protective zone for biodiversity and water catchments of Lorelindo National Park. Since long ago, they have practiced traditional values that are not only regulate the relationship between human, but also between human and environment. They regulate forest utilization based on several categories. Wanangiki or moss forest is where human activity is not allowed. A Tondo Ngata or forest ranger of Ngata Toro community is functioned to prevent and to monitor illegal logging activities within the forest. Meanwhile, they also have Wana or virgin forest, which serves as a water catchment area. In this area, people may collect resin, rattan, and medicinal plants from the virgin forest, but they may not cultivate the land. Rattan is widely spread in the national park. This non-timber forest product is developed into numbers of products, including an armband for visitors coming to Ngata Toro. Rattan seeds, forest ferns, and nibong is commonly used as traditional herbal medicine by Ngata Toro community. In 2004, they had identified more than 100 medicinal plants in the forest. Ngata Toro community also have Oma, forests that may be cleared to plant coffee, cocoa, corns, and other plants. Most of Ngata Toro community earns their living from farming and agroforestry. They have been applying organic farming system since long ago. They believe that the use of chemical-free pesticides and fertilizers will make the plant become more resilient and also protect women's reproductive system. Woman is highly acknowledged by Ngata Toro community. The Tina Ngata or indigenous woman leader holds important positions of policymaker, mediator, and mother figure for the village. They also act as the guardian for Tuatambi or local wisdom that regulates community-based biodiversity conservation. Starting in 2000, the community has struggled for acknowledgement of their indigenous regulations and customary lands from the government, represented by Lorelindo National Park Authority. Several community-based organizations, activities, and enterprises were also established to strengthen their bargaining position in reaching the acknowledgement. It also includes training for the use of audiovisual media as tool for advocacy and documentation, and development of DAPO, the energy efficient stove, as community-based adaptation approach on climate change. Finally, their struggle has been obtaining positive recognition from the authority. This has made them have the access to, control over, and use of important natural resources in the park. The active participations of women group has regarded as major contribution to this success. This echoing affirmative stories and wide networking had made them nominated to receive Equator Prize in 2004. These positive experiences are continuously shared by having cross visits and collaboration with various stakeholders, including neighboring communities, research institutions, and many more. Until now, Ngata Toro community still practices their traditional values because natural resources are the most valuable legacy for their future generation.